Pumpkins everywhere. Got some sorghum cooking. It's an 1876 Studebaker wagon. Smiling. They probably wouldn't even point it out yet. It does smell good. Me too. We're going down to get some lunch. Yeah. How you doing? Oh, sure. Thank you. You bet. You gave me some honey to try. You want to try some? Or?
No, okay.
Okay, because it's a little, like, sip of it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got the skillet sausage medley for lunch. We're going to split that. We're out here at the waterfall. Beautiful place. It's our favorite place to eat. Even when we bring our own food, we just come over here and sit down. We forgot to grab food on the way in, so we have to pay here. And it was $10.99 before tax. Really good though.
Yes.
So we're gonna eat this, and then if we're hungry again later, which we probably will be, we're gonna get the jambalaya down at a different restaurant. I can't remember which one that was called, but I'll tell you.
It's over by Time Traveler.
Okay.
Over by Time Traveler. I don't know what restaurant it is, but
yeah. They were half off.
half off. Oh yeah.
If you can imagine what? That's how it goes.
Pumpkins in the City Dance Party. And now, welcome your host, Avery Cole. You guys doing good today? I said you guys doing good tonight. Oh man, we're gonna have a dance party. We want you guys to join us.
Some dragonflies. Some possums. Some more owls. Some birds. It's also a bird. Looks like a raven, maybe. There's the fire. Here's the fire. Yeah. What? Some skunks. One on the right? Yeah. Oh gosh, that's scary. It's supposed to be an owl. Little caterpillar down there. Oh, I missed the bobcat. Or whatever it's supposed to be. Bears.
Yeah, raccoons.
Oh, What's lynx? Bobcat, sorry.
I think they're like mixing the other way.
What?
I don't know. Deer back there.
Oh, deer. And sorry guys, I'm just using my phone, so hopefully it's not too shaky for you. Some mice. There's some hay bales there. That's what they're crawling through and stuff. Some turtles. That's cool. Whoa, did that just turn on? I don't think that was on a second ago. Could be wrong. Caterpillar. Some more flowers back there. Squirrel on the tree. Squirrel. Chipmunks. So cool. Oh, they were. It was supposed to look. It wasn't finished, I don't think. When I took the picture the last.
Yes, she is. That's what she gets.
Yeah, that's why we were asking what you got on.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't see his head. There he is. That is the brightest sign. But happy 60th, Silver Dollar City. So when you get in to the tent to get your temperature checked, there's a lady standing there, and she wouldn't let me wear this because there's holes in it. So I had to wear this one. Just so, you know, if you have holes in your mask, you can't wear it, even if there's a filter. So, just letting you know, even though we've already been here like 3 times and I wore it, no problem, but CDC said so I don't know. I'm just pointing that out in case anybody has holes in their masks, like mine.
Yep.
So, but I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna get a little patch and sew it over the holes, but only at this part, so air can still get in, so I don't actually suffocate.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna fix it because I like this mask so much better than this one. And this is just one of these you get in like a 2-pack at like a dollar store, basically, I guess.
It's like the $3 pack for.
Yeah, and then I just got this at Hobby Lobby.
Which it looks really cool.
It does look
especially
cool.
on my camera. That looks really nice.
Yeah. But yeah, so these are fine. Fancy ones are not fine if there's holes in them. But yeah, so I guess that's that. So we're gonna run to Michael's and look for patches to see what I can do. I'll let you know how it works. I'll put it at the end of this outro. Because this one's so much more comfortable. Because this one basically squeezes my face. I don't know how everybody else does it because I have a small face. I don't like it. It goes up my eyes. Just wear them both.
There you go.
I will not wear them both.
No, you can't even tell.
Ugh. Nope. That made it a billion times worse. So we're gonna go to Michael's and see what we can do.